shift our focus to another very big news that we are getting for our viewers at this point in time, and this is the direct impact of the West Asia war that we are witnessing. Now viewers, over the last few days we have seen how the government has been encouraging people to shift to piped natural gas, get rid of LPG or cylinders, because there is a supply issue for sure, because we rely on the Middle East for our LPG supplies. But now, in a big order that has been issued by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, that was issued on 24th of March, which is yesterday, the government has made it very clear that if in your area piped natural gas is available, then you have to switch to piped natural gas. You have to get rid of your LPG connection. And viewers, this is very, very significant, because the people have been given, consumers like you and me have been given 3 months to opt for PNG once notified. If you do not comply with this particular time frame, then you can actually lose your LPG altogether. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Pragya, joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, this is massive. It's going to completely change how we all really cook in our houses, because now, in a way, there is a deadline that has been given for people. If you have a provision for PNG in your area, then you have to switch to PNG. You have to get rid of your LPG cylinders and the connection that you have. If you don't do that, your LPG connection is going to get cut.
Absolutely, Hina. In fact, this is also rationing, and also I would say the reasoning rationing of LPG and PNG. For those households who have PNG, they do not need LPG. This can be used in places where people actually need LPG and they do not have pipe supply. But government is also looking at this particular crisis as an opportunity right now. In fact, they would want that, they want to optimize the distribution of LPG by reallocating supplies from regions that already have pipeline supplies, and in fact to the region that do not have. So basically, this is also also a push by the ministry to ensure that there are ease of doing business, and also Essential Communities Act has been also invoked, which is also ensuring that there are speedy approvals for infrastructure boost as far as PNG is concerned. So government is also looking at options and also diversifying our energy needs, but also ensuring that at least those areas where they do not have infrastructure for PNG, at least those get LPG supplies, so that there is no scarcity of LPG, and there is no panic in the people as well. This was at least government needs to do, and also people needs to also understand about this, because this is a crisis that has come on every country in the world and is not of India's making, is what government also believes. So we need to ensure that we do not have scarcity of LPG, PNG. If we can rationalize this particular infrastructure and also the availability, then there will be no panic and no scarcity as well.
Right. Pragya, request you to please stay on with us. So essentially, viewers, let's explain to you what has happened. The government has said that use of piped natural gas, if it is available in your area, is no longer going to be optional. If your area has availability of piped natural gas, then you will have to switch to piped natural gas. And if you don't do that, within 3 months of that notification, the notification that will come to you saying that piped natural gas is available in your area, within 3 months, if you do not surrender your LPG connection, then it is going to be taken away from you. You have to mandatorily switch to the PNG connection. So this is, in fact, viewers, the copy of this very important order by Centre. And here I'm just reading out the most important aspect, most important part that you need to know. Now, it says the supply of LPG to the households in the relevant housing area shall cease upon expiry of 3 months from the date of issue of the notice. Now, this is important. Once you are notified that in your area PNG connection is available, you can easily switch to the PNG connection, you can easily get a PNG connection, then within 3 months of getting that notice, you will have to get rid of your LPG connection that you have. It says, provided that the supply of LPG to a household shall not cease if the authorized entity issues a no objection certificate on the ground that it is technically infeasible for the authorized entity to provide piped natural gas connection to such household. If the authorities tell you that in your house or in your area, piped natural gas cannot be provided, then your LPG connection will not be taken away. So be rest assured, it's not that government is going to come to your house and will be taking away your LPG connection, or the companies or the authorities are going to just cut your LPG connection. That's not happening. Government is saying, please switch to PNG connection, because we have definitely much more availability of PNG in our country, and we import a lot of LPG from the Middle East, and because of the ongoing war in the Middle East, the supply could get impacted going forward. So government is planning for the future. Government is ensuring that tomorrow the consumers do not suffer, because we have much more PNG available with us, and that's the reason why this new order has been issued by the government. Let me go back to my colleague Pragya, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Pragya, it's like preparing for the next few weeks or maybe next few months, because we do not really know for how long this war is going to continue.
Absolutely, Hina, but government, the fact is that government is saying that there is no dearth, no scarcity of LPG and PNG. We will ensure that no household will go without gas. This is the commitment that government has given. But you also need to realize that the reality is something else. Reality is there is a crisis in the world, but somehow government want to ensure that this will not come on common people. And this is why this rationalization and rationing of, where should we give PNG connections and where should we give LPG supplies. So basically, the government is also ensuring that there are infrastructure pipeline projects in place so that there will be time-bound clearances. There will be small charges that can be, charged from the people, and also procedures to have those PNG connections may be simplified to ensure that these infrastructure projects will be implemented sooner. It will also facilitate larger amount of PNG connection in many households. So basically, there is no, you cannot black market or hoard PNG gas, but you can do that with the cylinders, LPG gas. And this is exactly the reason why government is making sure that those who have PNG will not face any such problem, but those with cylinders may face bit of delay. And this is why those who have PNG should surrender their LPG connection. This is the, the reasonable thing to do at a time when we want to help each other. And this is also some sort of responsibility of the people as well. Rather than panicking, this is also the rationale behind the rationing of, connections, be it LPG and PNG. So in a way, government is saying that no household will go without, gas, without LPG. Those where there is no sort of connection of LPG, PNG, they should have LPG cylinders, and that is why this particular, statement has come from Ministry of Petroleum. But this is the reasonable thing to do, at such a time where there is a lot of uncertainty as far as crude oil supply of LPG is concerned.
So despite the idea is to reduce the burden on LPG supplies if PNG is already available, and if somebody's area has got the provision for PNG, then switching from LPG to PNG is no longer optional. Thank you very much.